Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I thought of sharing some features and tutorial regarding Skype app, as we all must have heard about it but might not have used it till now. Basically, Skype is a video, audio and chat app by Microsoft. The app is available on Mac, PC, iPhone and Android, so it is easily available and it allows you to chat and contact the people easily. So before moving on, please do hit the bell icon so that you get notified regarding my future videos. So first thing we need to do is jump into the Google and search www.skype.com and click on the first option. This will be the first interface that will appear in front of you, as it is owned by Microsoft. So you can see over here. Here you have to download the Skype, but as I already have the Skype app on my laptop, so I'll be going to it. Now here there are some elements that I'm going to tell you. Now the first thing on the top, by clicking on my name, here I can change my activity status from active to away to do not disturb or invisible. This is the most important element we should know and should know how to change it. Now again, clicking on my name, I can even add my image or update it, and here you can see it is share what you are up to. By clicking on this, you can choose any of them or type, and by doing this other people can get to know what you are doing. So as I'll be clicking on working from home and then done. So this is my mood right now. In some of the computers, instead of writing like what you are up to, they'll be writing share your mood. Now here let's go to some 4 main options which we can use in Skype. First is chat, then calls, then contacts and notification. In chat, by clicking on new chat, I can start a new group chat, new chat or new private conversation. These all are there on call and contact as well. In calls, by clicking on new call, I can start calling on getting touch with the other person easily. And again, coming to the contacts, here I can invite someone or add their phone numbers so that they can become my contact and they can come into my contact list. Now here when we come to chat option, and after clicking on meet, now this will be the page that will appear. By clicking on this, we can even start a meeting, which we all need at this point of time where we cannot go outside. So here are some options, like by clicking on this, I can just switch on it and my camera will be there and the other person could see my face and my visual. By clicking on this, the mic button will start and the other person can hear my voice. Here, by clicking on share invite, I can even copy the link, Skype contact, share it to Skype contacts, Outlook mail and through Gmail as well. Or rather than doing a meeting like this, I can even start a call. And this is the link of my present meeting, so I can even share this by copying it and it is done. Now coming back to this page, here again we get an option to start a meeting, add to group, gallery, find one participant. In notifications, you will be getting all the updates regarding Skype, from all to mentions and reactions. By more going to the notification settings, we can change the settings as per our need. Now we always be having a search bar where we can search all, people, messages and groups. By clicking on these three dots, I can change the settings or take help, enable split view mode, keyboard shortcuts and sign out. And last but not the least, this dial pad, when I'll be clicking here, I can type any number that works and call abroad to India. If you want to call abroad, you need to click here and write the countries and regions. So there are all the options, all the countries names. Now here comes the most important and knowledgeable part. Here all the calls would not be free because you have to give some credit and at affordable rates. So if you think that calling through Skype is easy and free, no guys, it's not free. Here you can see we have to get some credit and then only we can call through it. Again, going to settings, there are many settings like caller ID, call forwarding and voicemails, show call window, only allow Skype calls, subtitles, advanced. This all depends if you want them to change or not, otherwise it will be same as I have shown to you. So there is nothing else. I have covered most of the things. Yeah, when you'll be in chat and there will be some page like here, you can type a message and it will be sent. You can share the emoticons and add files, send contacts to this chat, record a message, and by clicking on three dots there are approx 5 options. One is location, video message, schedule a call, create poll or OneDrive. So I guess that's all for today. For more videos, do like, share, comment to my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching.